Hello everyone, nice to see you once again. Today I have a good lesson to take you about noun, adjectives, and adverbs. Again, nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. So what does it means? If you want to know, let's start together. 31. The and an, definite and indefinite article. As you can see in the column, see, she has got a girl and a boy. The girl is 10 and the boy is 8. He gave me a book and a cassette. I liked the cassette book, but I didn't like the cassette very much. Point. Plus singular nouns. The first time we say the noun. Uh, the same once. Is not particular. Point the plus singular or plural noun. The second time we say the nouns, the is particular. Yes, this is a very important point that you have to remember. And now we're going to practice. Practice 31. Complete the sentence using an or does. So, number 1. I have got a lighter and a boy of matches, but the lighter doesn't work very well. Number 2. There is a doctor and a nurse in the village, but the doctor is getting rather than old now. Number 3. I bought a sandwich and a piece of cake. The sandwich was alright, but the cake was horrible. Number 4. A woman and 2 men were here a few moments ago. I think the women wanted to see you. Number 5. They have got a dog and a cat, a rabbit and some goldfish, but the children like the dog best. 6. He sent me 2 letters and a postcard while he was on holiday. The postcard didn't say much, but the letters were very interesting. 7. You can have an apple or an orange. The apples are nice and sweet. There is a plum tree and a peach tree in our garden. The peach tree doesn't produce many peach, but the palm tree produces a lot of plums every year. Number 9. There is a theater and 2 cinemas in town, but one of the cinema is closing down. Finally, number 10. There is a train at 2:00 and once at 3:30. The 2:00 train takes 2 hours, and the 3:30 train takes an hour and a half. So this is the answer of 31. Complete the sentence using the. So you can review again and again to make sure that you can understand this lesson. And especially you have to read here and remember and make sure you can understand the whole meaning of definite and indefinite article, like the example below. Okay, thank you.